Now, this is how you can log Gmail on your iPad, which is definitely a good idea in case you want to just keep it simple and personal, close to you. So here's how you can do this. So you just need to locate the Gmail icon on your home screen and you hold down on it as if you were trying to edit it or get some toggles to pop up out of it. And the ones which we are interested in, or the one we want to click on, is one called Require Face ID. Or if you have like a different iPad with Touch ID, obviously it's going to be Touch ID instead. But just click on this button and it will ask you if you want to require it you need to confirm it, but you can also just click on hide and require Face ID, which you can also do. Like, it's going to make the app hidden away, so you can only find it in the app library in part of the hidden folders. But in case you want to just keep it on the home screen and only just lock it, just tap on the require Face ID, scan your face to confirm it, and then every time you want to get inside of the Mail app, you will need to authenticate yourself with your face, with the Face ID, to even get inside. And even if the Face ID fails for like 2 times, then it's going to ask you for the iPad passcode. So that's pretty useful to know you have a backup. And yeah, that's how it works. One more thing to know about is that it is part of the iPadOS 18. And if you have like an older version of the software, this option may not be available to you. So just ensure that you run on the latest one inside of the settings. And yeah, generally a good idea to run on the latest iPadOS software. So that's gonna be about it. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below to this channel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.